Well, good morning again and welcome. Our four-legged friends and their humans have been waiting for this for a long time. So this is a great day. I'm Stu Rodman. I'm chairman of County Council. I want to thank you for joining us for this special event. This is a public-private partnership of the Beaufort County Animal Services and the Humane Society of Hilton Head Association. They have created the first animal campus of its kind in South Carolina. Intake, spay, neuter, and adoption services are consolidated under one roof, reducing the necessity for animal transport and trauma. This state-of-the-art campus represents a hallway, not a highway. It will be a safe, positive, healthy space for animals and a great educational resource for our citizens. Yes. This facility is a new start, putting us on a path to do even greater things together. Together, we will continue to educate our community, inspire healthy relationships between humans and their companion animals, and reduce overpopulation, disease, and euthanasia. Big thank you to everyone that's been involved in the creation of this beautiful facility, particularly the community volunteers and donors, the Beaufort County employees, Andrea Atherton, Tallulah McGee, and all of the staff. The Hilton Head Humane Association, their board, Franny Gertoffer and Nancy Fjord, and all of the staff. Architects Miles Geik and Doug Clark of Guile Bohm. Joe Nix and Ivan Husso of Nix Construction. Beaufort County Council, and in particular to Rick Caparel, who's now retired from council but was a leader in making this whole thing happen. And of course, to the Beaufort County taxpayers. A special thanks to two people who led and made this happen. Phil Foote is the Assistant County Administrator for Public Safety. Phil, thank you for your continuing support of Animal Services and its vision for this facility and our humane treatment of animals. And to Chuck Lane of the Humane Association, who is the board chair. Chuck, thank you for your timeless leadership in making this shared dream come true.
Thanks, Stu. Keep on just the hair. You're fine, you're fine, you're fine. And thank you to Council for your support over the years. It's been a long haul. I'd like to recognize our board, if they raise their hands, including starting at the end there. Not Tallulah, but starting with Franny down. And I wouldn't be standing here today without their support over the years. And we have a couple former board members in the audience. I'd appreciate if they just raise their hands, and thank you for your support. I also want to add that ultimately this 10 acres will become 100 acres with walking trails, everything you want to do on a beautiful site. So this is just the start, folks. It's necessary to tell the story to recognize two people that were instrumental in this process. Gary Kubek, the retired county administrator who couldn't be here today, he's back in Ohio. And as Stu mentioned, Rick Caparel, whose announcement to the county that we have to stop killing animals and turn things around. When Rick stood up, the save rate, the number of animals saved in the county per year, was 10 to 15%. Think of it, 5,000 animals coming in, 10 to 15% surviving. Today, that save rate, and I'll talk about it in a minute, is way down. I will have to thank Gary for pushing this through. Numerous meetings, getting the money, and allowing our board to look and say, we're going to put our mouth and our pocketbooks together. And I won't mention, but multi-million dollars came from these people approving going forward on this project. So thank you. Change does not come fast nor easy, but positive momentum became contagious. With the new team in place at Beaufort County Animal Services, working closely with Hilton Head Humane, the objective became to make Beaufort County no-kill. 8 years ago, Rick, that seemed impossible. No way, it can't be. Something that we thought was impossible through the collaboration of individuals that cared and the close working relationship of two people, Tallulah and Franny. The save rate in 2018 was 87%. As we continue our partnership with Beaufort County, and in particular Beaufort County Animal Services, we can't emphasize enough the thousands of animals that are alive today because of this relationship, and you can do the math. This public-private partnership has been a collaborative effort that has successfully reduced overpopulation and euthanasia of homeless animals in our community. Years ago, we were frustrated because although we were a no-kill shelter, the county's euthanasia numbers were appalling. This is no longer the case, and we could not be more pleased. As I've mentioned in the past, it takes a community to end the killing of homeless animals. I am proud to be part of this community. Thank you for caring. Stu, let's cut the ribbon. Okay.
Somebody has to have the scissors. Oh, thanks. All right.
I just want to personally thank everyone for coming. And the doors are open. Take a look.